Hello, everyone. Welcome to my bedroom. Look here. This is a bed. Can you say it? Bed. This is a pillow. We rest our heads on it. Pillow. To stay warm, we use a blanket. Blanket. Underneath is the mattress. It makes the bed soft. Mattress. We cover the mattress with a bed sheet. Bed sheet. Where do we put our clothes? In the wardrobe. Wardrobe. We hang our shirts on a hanger. Hanger. Look at yourself in the mirror. Mirror. When it gets dark, turn on the lamp. Lamp. This small table next to the bed is a nightstand. Nightstand. To wake up on time, we use an alarm clock. Alarm clock. The floor is cold, but the rug is warm. Rug. In the morning, we open the curtain. Curtain. Look outside through the window. Window. This is the way in and out. The door. Door. When it's hot, turn on the air conditioner. Air conditioner. We can also use a fan to stay cool. Fan. To turn on the main light, press the light switch. Light switch. I love reading. This is my bookshelf. Bookshelf. Let's read a book. Book. This is where I study. The desk. Desk. Please sit down on the chair. Chair. I do my homework on my laptop. Laptop. This is a beautiful picture frame. Picture frame. Throw your garbage in the trash can. Trash can. Keep your feet warm with slippers. Slippers. Dirty clothes go in the laundry basket. Laundry basket. You can store small things in a drawer. Drawer. Sometimes I watch movies on the television. Television. And finally, a beautiful green houseplant. Great job today, houseplant.